Hi children, hope you all are doing well. So today we will learn words with the sound I. Okay, let's start. So what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U are vowels, right children? So when we have vowel I and E, we get the sound I. Okay children, what sound do we get? When we have I and E are together, we get sound I. Okay, let's read some word this sound. Okay, so pie. This is pie, right? Pie. Tie. T I tie. T I tie. L I D lied. L I D lied. Next, D I D died. D I D died. Okay, children. This boy is tying, right? So T I D tied. T I D tied. We learn the blends, right? R blends. F and R are together. So we say fr I D fried. 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 Okay, children. So you need to practice reading these words. Okay. So your homework is I will send you these words. So you need to practice reading them, saying the sounds. I pie. T I tie. D I die. Okay. So like this, you need to practice all the words and send me the recording. And your second homework is you will write these words 3 times in your notebook. And while writing, you will say these words and write. Okay. And you need to send me the picture of this notebook. Okay, children. Thank you. Take care. Bye.